Have you ever wondered why some businesses seem to close sales effortlessly while others struggle to get customers? The difference may not be working harder, it may be working smarter with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is changing sales across the world. Businesses are using AI to find customers, automate follow-ups, personalize emails, and make faster, data-driven decisions. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, AI helps professionals focus on building relationships and closing more deals. Imagine creating high-converting emails in seconds, identifying your hottest leads instantly, and receiving smart recommendations before every sales call. Whether you're an entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, freelancer, or small business owner, AI can help you save time, improve productivity, and grow your business. The companies embracing AI today are building a competitive advantage for tomorrow. Learning these skills now can help you stay ahead in an increasingly digital marketplace. That's why the AI Sales course was created, to help you understand practical AI tools you can use to improve your sales process and grow with confidence. Eager to take your sales to the next level? Click the first link in the description to learn more about the AI Sales course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI business strategies.